Oh no. We've got a huge problem. Hi, I'm Gail, your pond plant girl, and boy, do we have a problem today. So we got to tear down a pond and put up a new one. Ah! 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 Yikes! Look what I stepped in. Ah! Dang! I hate ants. I came this close to death by ants. Ah! I'm busy retrieving a tarp so I can set up my pond. And there's mosquitoes back here. And okay, let's get this tarp over there. Hopefully the ants won't follow me. Okay. I don't know what's worse, mosquitoes or fire ants. I got bit by a few fire ants, but it wasn't bad. But now I'm paranoid and I feel like they're down my pants. Hey, it came with a patch. That's handy. This pond is 6 feet wide, or supposedly. So I need to adjust the tarp accordingly. If you remember one of my last videos, I said I made the mistake last year of not putting out a tarp under one of my pools, and yeah, that's the result this season. It's leaking. That's a good size. Stay away, mosquitoes. Got my gloves on just in case there's more ants. Mwahaha. Oh my god. Big ones in there. Die, die, die. I think they're dead. Nya, nya, nya. Say hello to my little friend. I'm going to spread this all over the grass and then put the tarp on top and then spread more on top of the tarp. And then next will be the pool. Let's do it. This tarp is huge, but it's what I need. Ah, anyway. Time for a little break. Just everything in moderation, my friends. My friends, everything in moderation. A little bit at a time, one step at a time. Never give up and never surrender. I just do everything a little bit at a time. And you can too. Sure can. Time for some water. Da-da-da. I'm sitting down. While that's filling up, I think I'm going to start with the rescue. I'm going to start with the plants and then the fish will come last. Oh my gosh, these definitely need to be repotted. Mm. Yeah, okay, that wasn't so bad. Just ripping the frog bit off. And then I'll repot this later. I'm just more concerned about getting the fish out of this leaky pond. And yes, that's a Folgers can. I do have better pots. I do like the depth of this pond better. It's perfect for water lilies. It's 16 inches deep as opposed to 12 inches deep of my other round pond. And so the link will be in the description if you're interested in getting this pool for your backyard pond and water lilies. I'm putting the plants along the edge. I thought about doing it in the middle, but I'm putting them on the edge just so later it'll be easier for me to take them out and repot them. I see a problem here. The iris is exploded. I got some work to do. Until I have the energy to repot properly, I'm going to put most of the irises in this black bucket. I found a froggy. Oh, goodness. It's okay. Just to cut the roots. Don't just throw this away. This makes fantastic mulch. Where can I put it? Who knows what treasures I'll find. Yep. All you need is just a little bit of root on there. You don't have to worry about saving all the roots. See, just clip this shaggy stuff off. It'll be okay. Put it in the mulch pile. Your vegetable garden will appreciate you for that. Oh boy. In the bucket. Whew. Just like any plant, you need to thin them out and repot once a year. And that includes houseplants as well. I often hear from gardeners, I don't like this plant or that plant. It takes over the pond. You know, especially with cannas and water lettuce and water hyacinth. But any plants like that, any plant can grow like crazy wild. You just thin them out like weeds. And if you don't want to keep them, give them away or throw them in the mulch pile. As I said, your vegetable gardens will love it because all those roots have fish emulsion in them. And that natural, organic fish emulsion is fertilizer for your vegetable garden. And you'll get some pretty good veggies out of it. It's time for the bad boy. This is my fishing knife. Let's do it. I want to let you know that I started a Patreon account. So if you're interested in being a member, it's just simply Pond Plank Girl. And so if you want some water lotus seeds or some other pond plants, we can take care of that through Patreon. And members of Patreon get to find out first when videos are posted, and also you get discounts on pond plants. Almost there. We need some hornwort. See this grass? Ugh. It grew up through the bottom of the pond because I did not lay down a tarp. I was lazy. I've got a ways to go. Just about done. I'll probably throw away most of this frog bit, but I have fish to catch. Welcome to your new home. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. I just realized a huge mistake that I made. I should have laid down not just the ant granules, but some weed block, so I don't have this problem again. Hopefully these pools will last a year without weed block. Look what I found. This was living in the water, a little red worm. I bet you, I bet that my perch will love to eat that. Look, oh, it tickles. Oh, the fish ate it. Ha ha. All right, I gotta get some more of those. Well, it's been a long day and I'm exhausted. And the water's not draining. But you know me, I've got a solution for that. All right, I'm going to turn this into a vegetable garden so it doesn't really matter how I get the water out. Oh, that was easy. I'm in the process of rescuing the fish from the pond, but also, check it out. I found a huge dragonfly nymph. 2 little ones, which he's sitting on. There you go. I found a huge dragonfly nymph. And you know how I love dragonflies. Wow, it's been quite a day here in Texas. And now it's time to clean up. I got all the fishies out, and so soon in our next video, this will be our vegetable and flower garden. Yay! Hey, if you could do me a favor and like and subscribe, because that will really help the channel so we can get some more content out to you. I am Gail, your pond plant and garden girl. Look for more videos coming soon. Keep on being you, and I'll see you next time. Appreciate you.